Yes, Judge, we're present for Mr. Pez.
You are um, Laura Zachariah,
Yes,
is that
Judge.
correct?
That is correct, Judge.
Okie dokie. So who set this? Apparently I
This
did.
was a request from us, Judge. We just requested if we could get a hearing prior to any action on the violation, Judge.
All right. So what is the alleged violation?
Judge, based off the violation report that we received from pretrial services, it was for a high BAC reading on his ignition interlock.
And that would have been approximately what level?
The level alleged, Judge, was a 0.042.
What?
A 0.042.
Okay. So you asked for this hearing. Now tell me what you have to say.
Judge, we just want to point out that there is no photo verification of this, Judge. My client couldn't recall whether or not he was driving on that day. Other people have used his car in the past, Judge. We just wanted to make sure that if any action was taken on this, Judge, we are requesting that a warrant not be issued for any bond increase, if we could consider any other kind of remedy for the violation, Judge.
All right. What are the conditions at this time?
He is currently ordered to ignition interlock on his only vehicle, Judge. I'm not sure if he's under any other condition as far as alcohol monitoring at this time.
Judge, according to the system, you added, you put on there, you asked for it to be, for him to continue on ignition interlock and add anti-abuse yesterday.
Okay. Ms. Zachariah,
Yes, Judge.
when was the violation report filed?
It was filed on February 26th, Judge. I just received notice on March 1st. And it looks like the alleged violation occurred on February 14th of 2021.
February 14th?
Yes, Judge. And on the violation, they did list that they were unable to verify who submitted the high BAC reading on that date.
I understand. It's his vehicle though, right?
That is correct, Judge. It is
And
his.
it has an ignition interlock installed, right?
That is correct, Judge.
Then this court at this point would tend to presume that it was he who blew, unless he can tell me under oath who did, other than himself, on Valentine's Day. It's not a day that it would be easy to not know where your vehicle is.
Understood, Judge, which is why we're just requesting, like I said, if, as long as a warrant's not issued in the case, if we could come up with some other kind of solution, which it sounds like you already did, Judge, with the order for anti-abuse.
And that's going easy. What I did give consideration to was anti-abuse and a scram, but I'm going to give him an opportunity to take anti-abuse, and I want pretrial to order that the anti-abuse is crushed. I don't want him to have the opportunity to take a pill and then turn around and puke it out. That's not going to happen under my watch.
Understood.
I'm very, very concerned that he has. Let me just share that there's some significant statistical studies that show that people that are arrested for DWI have probably gotten away with it at least 10 times before. So in this situation, speculatively, he's had about 20 DWIs. He's only been caught on 2, but he's been caught on extreme DWI. Not at least the allegations are there. I'm not going to presume that it's true, but I'm not going to close my eyes or stick my head in the sand either.
Understood, Judge.
We're going to do the anti-abuse, crushed pills, and I want him to do ETGs twice a month. Besides that, I have to tell you that I'm very concerned that Mr. Bez is looking at these 2 cases. And it's not just one DWI first, something like 0.08, 0.12 or something. We're looking at 0.15 or higher and no telling how high. Okay, I'm not going to preach anymore. Do you understand what I'm ordering?
Yes, Judge. He understands.
And it'll be 0 tolerance if he gets any other violations. We're going to have a real come to Jesus with him, or come to Moses, whichever he might appreciate. Anything else, Ms. Zachariah?
No, Judge, that was our only request for the hearing.
All right, then that'll be the order on this change. No warrant. We want I'll give him 3 days to comply or start taking the anti-abuse. All right.
Does he just need to report to pretrial services for that, Judge?
There should be an order to them pretty quickly.
Okay.
Ms. Flores, she with us?
Yes, I am. This was sent yesterday, but I've already put in a call regarding the pill to be crushed.
Right. All right. And you heard the ETG twice a month?
ETG twice a month. Okay, I will let them know that as well.
0 tolerance.
Yes.
The old classic, the old Westerns, they used to say that they'd arrest somebody for even just spitting on the sidewalk. Well, it might be a vulgar expression, but I don't care. The least thing that he violates, I want to know about it. And Mr. Bez, let me tell you very clearly, I don't buy this. We don't know who took the picture or who blew in the thing. It's, as far as this court's concerned, anyone that blows in that machine is you. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
All right. And this was on, the violation was alleged to be on Valentine's Day. I doubt very strongly that somebody else had borrowed your car on that date. But nonetheless, that'll be my amendment of the conditions at this time. Do not let yourself down, because if you let me down, it'll cost you. We got it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Then anything else, Mr. Edelman?
Just to reiterate that I think it is inappropriate for the court to sign orders on cases before the defense or the state has an opportunity to present its side of the argument.
You have an argument, Mr. Edelman?
I do not have an argument, Your Honor.
All right.
Not on this case.
The defense is present and has made her request, or her information has been provided. All right. Then Ms. Zachariah, Mr. Bez, y'all are excused for